What it do? It's me. Hey boo. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you haven't subscribed yet, because I know sometimes you gotta get to know a person before you subscribe, and that's okay. But after this video, you gonna know me and you gonna want to subscribe. But welcome. I'm back, y'all, and my computer was down, so I could not edit. Therefore, I got a bunch of videos planned for y'all. So we just gonna quit talking and get right into what this one is. This is a get ready with me for a photo shoot. The hair install was the video before this one, so go watch that one. But let's just get into this get ready with me. So this video is not a tutorial, but I am going to be telling y'all the products I used. So I'm putting the e.l.f. matte primer on my face right now because I use dewy foundation. And by the way, I will do a in-depth tutorial, just not this one. So yeah. So that was edge control I put on my eyebrows because I don't have eyebrow gel, and the edge control did the same exact thing. But anyway, the pencil I'm using for my eyebrows is Wet n Wild. It's from Walmart and it's brown. That's really it to it. The concealer I'm using is from the beauty supply store. It's the LA Girl Pro Concealer. That's just it. Everybody uses this concealer. It's really popular. Yada yada yada. The foundation I use is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. My shade is 322 Warm Honey, and it's the dewy one. I have the matte one, but it be making me look ashy. It's the same shade, but it makes me look ashy, so I use this one instead. So I started putting my concealer on and realized I wasn't recording anymore. But I put it on. Okay, back to the voiceover or whatever I was doing before. So the concealer I put under my eyes is the same one that I put on my eyebrows, and that one is actually shade medium beige. Figured it out. And on top of that concealer, I go in with another shade just a little lighter, and that one is a Fit Me concealer. It's shade 25. And for my contour, that's also Fit Me, and it's shade 40. So I use the Airspun translucent powder as my like setting powder per se, if you want to call it that. And yeah, I put it under my eyes and I put it on my laugh lines as well. So this is my powder contour. I got it from the Black Radiance contour palette. This is the one for, I believe, is light to medium skin or medium to dark. I honestly can't remember which one it is, but yeah, this is the contour from inside of that palette. And I also use the highlight later on in the video, and I use the sculptor as well. The sculptor, I use it as a bronzer just to bring, the warmth back to my face. Also, I'm done with my makeup. As you can see, I did a cute little lip. I used the NYX Butter Gloss. I forgot what shade, but yeah, that's what I used on my lips, and I put some Beauty Supply lashes on. Changed my nose ring, all of that, because as you saw, I ripped it out while I was doing my makeup. So yeah, I did all of that, and now I'm dressed. Got my outfit, pretty little thing, ready to go. I'm wearing some blue heels with it for the pictures. If I can record in there for y'all, I will, but if I can't, I'll just try to finesse something for y'all. But yeah, so I'm dressed. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and turn on the notification bell. That way you get a notification every time I post a video. So without further ado, I love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.